got an ice cream sandwich with like a burning hot cookie and the birthday cake ice cream in the middle. It looks so good. Okay, so now I'm home, and you saw that I had a package on my front door when I got home. And that is what I want to do for this vlog. I'm going to open it, review it, show you it, and it's 2 things, so let's get into it. Okay, so sorry if you hear any weird panting because my dog's in the room with me. So yeah, let me just open the box right now. First, let me show you this. It's the bali-yo. It's a balisong pen. I've had it before, but it broke, so I got a new one. This is, yeah, it's the black one. It's pretty nice. I really like this balisong, if you could even consider it a balisong. So, yeah. Well, I forgot how good it was to flip it. It's definitely different. You have to get used to it. It's so light. So the next thing I have not gotten, so I'm really excited. This is from Wet Fidget. That's a weird name, but okay, so basically, yay! It's a hand spinner. I've never had one before, and oh, it's awesome. If you don't know what a hand spinner is there anything in here? No. The box is empty. There's nothing in there. So this is basically all it is. It's a hand spinner. If you don't know what a hand spinner is, then, I mean, they're all over Instagram. You just spin it in your hands. And it's cool. Someone, actually Ari, in my last vlog, he made one with just scooter bearings and a hot glue gun. And so yeah, so I really like these. So let me just do a quick, I'm just gonna play with it for a little bit, then I'll come back with a better review. Oh, I got it! Did you see that? Oh guys, I got a new keyboard. I did an unboxing of this. And in addition to that unboxing, I did like a review of it. Okay, so my camera actually has some filters, and I thought in this vlog I'm just going to check some of them out. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but this is cinema mode, like movie mode. This is vivid. It's supposed to have like better colors. So let's see if you can see those colors better. I don't know. Comment down below if you can. This tint's called Cool. It's supposed to add like a futuristic look. Does this Deadpool look futuristic? Or that mouse? Or this hand spinner? Let me know. This one's supposed to look nostalgic to add like a 70s theme to it. Hey, no! Look at this. This is supposed to look antique or faded. Let me know if this chair looks antique or faded. I really like this one. I used this in my first vlog. It's like an old-fashioned. It's like there's the black bars and there's like little black lines sometimes going across the screen. So yeah, does this look old-fashioned? Okay, so right now I'm gonna get things ready for tomorrow's vlog, which is going to include that. Okay, so everything is ready for tomorrow. Hi, Jackson! Oh, hi! I know. Okay, guys, so I'm editing the vlog right now, right? And then so I just realized that I didn't really end off the video, the vlog, so I'm going to end it right here because it is, what time is it? It's pretty late at night, and I never really ended it. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one.